I love it when my husband has a bad day. Don't get me wrong, I wish every day is good for him, but when it's one of those crappy, dull days, unlike some people, he doesn't come home and shout, he doesn't slam around, he doesn't complain. He'll just walk through the door, drop his jacket and beeline straight for me. He'll practically jump on top of me, bury his face in my chest or down the side of my neck. I'll feel him readjusting himself until he's comfortable, take a few big sniffs, exhale, and just sink into me. I'll rub his back and kiss his head. Sometimes we end up lying there for an hour or more, sometimes he falls asleep. I love hearing his breathing change, his heartbeat slow, hearing the quiet sounds he subconsciously makes when I scratch that perfect spot. I love feeling that hand dance up under my shirt in cup one, always with a small chuckle from both of us. I love tracing my hand around his back under his shirt, feeling every muscle as I whisper to him about my day. I love lying there smelling him. He'll claim he stinks after a long day at work, but to me, the smell is almost addictive, intoxicating. I'm a small woman, which makes this harder, but I'm willing to endure the wait just to enjoy those moments with him. I can't even explain how it makes me feel inside when I hear him taking those